Now, can we have the best man, Jason Moster, for his message?
Sorry, I'm not prepared, but I have Codigo. A joke. Good evening, everyone. I hope you enjoy your dinner. So I would like to start, and I would like to introduce myself first. I'm Jason, Manong Billy Joe Bestman, and his little brother. I think it says a lot about a man when he chooses his brother to be his best man. Manong Billy Joe had a difficult decision to make. Two brothers, but only one could be best man. He tried to choose between Gerald and I. Unfortunately, I was the one who chosen. Oh, I mean, fortunate. Fortunate because I'll be the one who will be the best man and wearing the best next best suit of all men's here. But sorry, brother, you know already, I'm more handsome than you. But don't worry, in the eyes of Manang Leia, you are the smart, charm, good-looking, kind. Oops, I cannot read the other you wrote here. Manong, anya dati insurat mo dito ay So just kidding. It was being unlucky because I will be having speech which I am a bit pressured and nervous because I tried to search in a Google that best man would deliver the best message. It was last year when you asked the hand of Manang Leia to marry you. To be honest, I was a bit sad because my older brother will be totally separate his life from us. And thinking that maybe you will not help us anymore. But I'm wrong.
Alam, makapasurot. Alam. Go, kaya mo yan.
Even you are busy on preparing making a savings from your wedding, you never forget your responsibilities and you're always there to support our family, especially on everyone's dream. You know how close we are. We have been so hurting each other's dreams. You always ask my opinions and suggestions in most of your decisions you make. And I'm happy for that because you trusted me. Thank you, Manong. It was just yesterday in the same place where we're just running and chasing each other's, playing here with our neighborhoods. And now the Billy Joe Killo is now married. Billy Joe Killo because when our was kid, most of our friends and neighborhoods called called him Billy Joe Killo, just only for fun. Time has really so fast. Soon, each of us will having our own family. But only the things I ask for you, that even we started our own family, I'm hoping that you will still beside us supporting each other, especially our parents. You know, we cannot deny it, that you're our parents' favorite. Alam mo naman yun. Remember, you almost get what you want, and their most attention is on you. Sorry. Most attention is on you because you are the first child and the hope of our family. I just give some idea why he's the favorite child. It was when you entered your high school, our mother enrolled you in private school, and even college. But unluckily, me no, even I want to. also the company you to go in your enrollment day. That almost on the point that Nanay's name was written on the enrollment paper. Remember? Way back when you were in the high school? If I'm not mistaken. Up to now, you're still the baby of Nanay. Because she's still washing and ironing your clothes. That she often to do to me. But it doesn't matter. I understand everything and our careers before. I will just take this opportunity to say thank you to Nanay and Tatay for raising us. You always remind us to be humble, always, and give respect to other people, whatever the status is. You also taught us to be God-fearing and always be thankful for all the blessings that God has given us. Thank you for teaching us to dream. Because of your hard work, we finished our studies. We owe everything that we have now. Thank you, Nanay and Tatay. I will not make this message too long, pero medyo matagal na talaga. So that if this event will finish early, for you to make our gift, to make and give our parents first grandchildren. Anyways, I want to congratulate you for this wonderful and elegant wedding. A special day to both of you where you bound as one. I know before this wedding, Manong Manang, you had been tested with your relationship, and I thank God because you surpassed it. I hope you fulfill all your vows and take promises as goes by. We always cheer for both of you, your family. Officially welcome Manang Leia and your family to our family. But even before naman, you're welcome na. And thank you po sa lahat ng tumulong, to those who help us to make this event possible. Thank you so much. And may konting message lang yung kapatid ko na nasa training center. Pero ila-speaker ko na lang to kasi mabilisan lang din.
Happy wedding kinyayo kini Manang Leia man. Pasensya ang tahan na makamay kid. Damo training center. Ano sa dito para kanyayo. Para kanya tayo. Galwad kay kinanayin dito at pastawag kini nanay. Kada tatay. Jovel and Jolly. Jason. Basta kikita tayo doon wala nga sidigan.
Thank you everyone and God bless all.
Thank you very much. How about the picture, Jason? Ayan, na-picture tayong mat ni Manong. Thank you very much for the wonderful message. Jason, ayan, dito po tayo muna for a photo ops. Thank you very much. Wow, that was heartwarming. Palapan naman natin the best man, indeed a best man, a best friend of the groom, Jason Moster. Thank you very much. Alright, so thank you. Now, it's time for some games. Dahil sa oras na ito, we will have some games for all the single gentlemen and the single ladies. Unahin natin ang mga single gentlemen. Ayan, DJ, pahinga ng music dyan ng Single Man by Sai. Sino nga ba ang mga single nandito ngayong gabi, sir?
Paulo, Giancarlo, John Michael.
O Paulo, John Michael, Giancarlo, asan kayo? Asan sila? Taas ang kamay at susunduin ko kayo. O, halina kayo. John Paulo,